Johnny Boom Boom, a 30-year veteran of Angelo Décor, will be showing you how to set up your Veneto Fountain. The large bowl is placed carefully atop the pedestal, noting the proper orientation of the twist and lock. The power cord for the energy-efficient pump goes down this pipe through to the bottom of the pedestal. Carefully reach inside the pedestal for the 10-foot power cord and place it in the groove notch at the bottom. Leave enough power cord at the top so the pump moves freely, and add the cord pipe cap. The pump housing comes next, again noting the orientation of the twist and lock, large to large, small to small. Same process for installing the spill bowl. The tubing is installed inside the pipe as shown. With the tubing installed securely, you'll now pass it down through the pipe into the pump house area and connect it securely to the pump. Check to be sure the flow control dial is set to full strength. Carefully place the pump inside the pump housing, keeping it as level as possible and making sure that tubing has no bends or kinks in it. Install the access door as shown. We've included these shims in the accessory package designed to keep your fountain level. Enjoy your Veneto Fountain.